guys, it's Adonis. We're here today. We're gonna install now the aviators on the scooter, the 50cc scooter. It's a 50cc. We're trying to make it go from 33 miles an hour to 50 miles an hour. That's the goal with this aviator kit. What we're gonna install, that's the weights right there. So yeah, we're gonna see this will literally give us some top end speed. So we're gonna take that out first. There's like a whole bunch of 8 mils, I think. Take this whole casing out so that we could get into taking out and installing the new aviator. Aviator behind there. So we gotta take this bolt out, take the clutch out. So we're gonna take the clutch out, this pulley out, the belt out to get access to the aviator right behind it, so that we can put that guy over there. All right, got the bolt loose for the clutch, so I'm about to take that out, pull that out. Let's see if I can catch it on camera. Okay, so this is be like 3 pieces. You see that ring? This and the back piece. Try to take it all up. Try to take it out without dropping anything. There you go. I'll just leave it there like that, all connected as one piece. Just like that. Belt's already good to go. Let me see if I can take this clutch out. Clutch face is off. Clutch should be able to pull this belt off now, but won't be able to do the springs today. I don't think so, because I might not have the size for the bolts, but we'll see. This belt doesn't look that bad. Let's see. Don't record me. Okay, so I'm gonna take the aviator out with the crankshaft. Okay, you see here, this is the stock one. So I'm gonna lift this up real quick. Those are the stock weights on it. Just want to see how much they weigh. Okay, let's see.
When you're running worm clamps on your intercooler piping setup, it's very important that your pipes have B-rolls on it. We just did these 2 right here. This goes right in between that and
the stock weights.
Should pop off.
Feel a little light.
Especially because of how short this is.
That's one of the rubber pieces. So it goes like this. These are the guides. Make sure that's always on. I don't know why they're falling apart like that though. You're not supposed to be doing that.
Or just tell them to go buy the right one.
Now I don't understand why this is going on. Meow. Meow. Oh, there we go. There we go. Now it's back on. So now we're gonna put the new one on. I was gonna do the springs on the clutch, but I can't because I can't take this bolt out. So since it's easy to come out anyways, I'll do it another time. I need to get this bike done. I'm not gonna worry about that now. That doesn't affect anything anyways. It's just aggression, more aggressive clutch. Put it so you grab it like this.
Gosh, what is it? It's half inch square tube with
The weights came out of place.
bolt on the top and a rib.
So these are the weights.
And it's fully welded.
The new weights. Make sure they're on there right. If that shit was on there the other way, I would have messed it up.
Solve the issue of the hood having a hard time closing. So every time
There we go.
the hood would come down
So
onto
now
the
I put
support,
this back like this.
the support would
And you're gonna go like this.
and makes it
This is a crankshaft, by the way. This literally what's called a crankshaft, like a car. Put it like that. Push it in.
Right here.
And then
because intercooler and
grab the new belt.
was going on underneath here, and the thing moved.
That belt's not that bad either.
This is
Let's keep it atmospheric. Put the brand new one on where you got it.
it makes sense. So the tail goes onto the intercooler.
Put the clutch back on.
The intercooler is offset from this hole here. I know this hole is for the grill and the bumper to attach with the factory hardware, but we only have one hardware anyways, which is this guy, right? But we are gonna put 1, 2, 3, 4.
I wonder, this is thicker.
But I'm going to utilize the center one and to offset it to get to that hole. So if you look, there it is. So now take a 10 mil.
Make sure.
Put it in
Fits
there.
the same way. Yeah. Okay. Just double checking real quick. Make sure it fits the same way. There we go.
Right. Check this out.
Damn.
Support it.
So I have this on like this already. I have the new belt on. Clutch is on. I didn't do the springs, but about to put everything, the new aviators in the back. Now I just about to put everything back together. Putting the bolts back on. Okay. Clutch face. Okay. Didn't do the springs. Maybe next time. But I got a brand new belt. Definitely needed a belt because this thing was, look, compared to this, bro, look at this. This isn't even moving. That belt, I think the belt is gonna do the most difference. Oh, it's not bad. Just gotta tighten everything back now. What size is this?
It's drawn
15?
right here in front of the heater, not too close. Too close would actually mess up the paint, but
So what size is this? So this is this? Yeah. Sorry, Dina.
It's not drawn all the way through. So that's just going to. But I am still trying to put the hood onto the wagon. I did one layer.
I don't think that's going anywhere.
It's
good. And this belt is tighter than this one. This one, I was able to move it up and down. Look. So now all that's left, put the face back on, which is this. Put this face back on. And that's it. Should be good to go. Yeah, this is the let's keep this stuff in. Okay. Oh, I think this is what that's the issue right now.
Perfect diameter to the 10 mil, so there's a lot of wiggle room.
This shit.
You would want to leave this a little bit loose,
line
so
it
you
right.
can kind of like shimmy it around, figure out your
Dang, the gasket's coming out for ready too.
or, you know, up to the
I might have to borrow the gasket. I mean, it's not oil in here, I know, but it's still for dirt.
box of hardware. Grab my ratchet here with 10 on it.
There we go. Now it's on. So you just gotta make sure you align up the kickstart thing on. If not, this won't work. Make sure you hit it on. Because if not, it's not gonna
Seal.
So now you gotta put all these 8mm bolts back on, and that's it. Done. The bike should be ready to go. I'm not gonna put it up. I'm not putting everything together though, because I don't know. I need to make sure everything's running right first before I put all the covers back on. So I'm gonna leave it without all the covers until I make sure everything's on, because now I don't feel like taking everything back off, on, off. It doesn't make sense. But yeah. Next clip. Back to face plates back together, as you guys can see. Carburetor is on. Now I just gotta bring this outside so I could tune it, and we should be done.